Namaste everyone, welcome back to Zesty Nimbu. This is Srirekha. Today let's see who the Pandavas were and the story of their birth, the circumstances behind their birth. Pandavas were the sons of King Pandu and his two wives Kunti and Madri. Pandu was the son of King Vichitravirya and his second wife Ambalika. Though Pandu was younger than Dhritarashtra, he was given the throne of Hastinapur because Dhritarashtra was born blind. So King Pandu was ruling Hastinapur and eventually got married to two princesses. The first princess was Maharani Kunti. She was the daughter of Kunti Bhoja, who was a Yadava chief. And the second princess was Princess Madri, who was the daughter of King of Madhya and who is also the sister of Shalya. So Kunti Bhoj was the father of Kunti. She was also called as Pritha. But initially she was born to a Yadava chief called Surasena, who was also the father of Vasudeva. Vasudeva was the father of Krishna and Balram. But Surasena decided to give away his daughter to Kunti Bhoj because Kunti Bhoj didn't have any sons or daughters, and hence Kunti was given off to Kunti Bhoj when she was born, and she started growing up in their household. That is why she was called as Kunti or Pritha. So once Pandu was married off to Kunti and Madri, they were living in Hastinapur. One day, King Pandu went off to the forest for hunting. There he saw a couple of deer in the mood of procreation. So before the event could happen, Pandu kills the male deer. So the male deer or the Rishi curses Pandu, saying that before we could complete our procreation, you killed me, and hence you will also have that curse. Whenever you want to go for procreation, you will be dead the moment you touch your wives. So that was the curse. So unfortunately, because of his own actions, Pandu got this curse. So he goes back to Hastinapura and tells his wives that he is relinquishing the kingdom because of this curse, and he gives over the kingdom to Dhritarashtra. Then Dhritarashtra is crowned the king along with Queen Gandhari, who becomes the Maharani. So Pandu along with Kunti and Madri go to the forest and start living in a hermitage. After some time, Pandu realizes that he needs to have kids and to continue his family, and he asks Kunti, and Kunti tells him that she has a boon from Rishi Durvasa. So when she was young, Rishi Durvasa had come to Kunti Bhoja's kingdom, and because Kunti had served Rishi Durvasa with utmost devotion and care, Rishi Durvasa gave her a boon. The boon was that whenever she thinks of any god, the god will come and give her a child, a son. So this was the boon given to Kunti. So she narrates this boon to Pandu. Pandu is very happy. So hence he requests Kunti to think of Dharmaraja, the god of justice. And Kunti thinks of him. Lord Yama comes down, and after 9 months, Kunti and Pandu have their first child, and he is named Yudhishthir. So after 1 year, again Pandu requests that he wants to have a second child. This time Kunti requests god Vayu, the wind god, to come down. After 9 months, the king Pandu and Kunti have their second child, who is Bhima, Wrikodara. The next time Pandu requests Kunti for a son, she calls on Indradev, the king of the gods. He comes down, and after 9 months, Kunti and Pandu have their third child, who is Arjuna. And next time Pandu asks Kunti for another child. This time Kunti says Madri also needs to have a chance, and Madri is given the mantra wherein she can call forth the gods. So Madri calls the Ashwini gods. So Ashwini gods are twins. So Madri and Pandu have twins this time, who are Nakul and Sahadev. So this way, Pandu and Kunti and Madri become the parents of 5 Pandavas: Yudhishthira, Bhima, Arjuna, Nakula and Sahadev. So these are the Pancha Pandavas. Since Kunti was called as Pritha, Arjuna was known sometimes as Partha, the son of Pritha. So Yudhishthira is born out of Dharmaraja, Bhima is born out of wind god or Vayu Deva, Arjuna is born out of Indradeva, Nakula and Sahadeva are born out of Ashwini gods. So they are the amshas of the respective gods, the parts, and hence they have the great prowess that they have, because of which they win the Mahabharata war, and also they rule the kingdom of Hastinapura and Indraprastha in such a great manner. So this is the story of Pandavas and their secret of their birth. Unknown to anybody, when Kunti was young, she wanted to test out the boon given by Rishi Durvasa. So in her youth, she summons sun god, the Surya Dev, and because this mantra functions the way Durvasa says, that whenever you call a god, he will give you a son, Kunti was given a son. But at that age, and because of the pressures of the society, she had to give away her son, and she drops the son in the water. The baby was born with earrings and armor, Kavacha and Kundala, and that baby was actually picked up in the water by a Suta, a charioteer, and his wife called Radha. And from that time on, he becomes Radhe, and his name was Karna. So Karna was the firstborn of Kunti. So in the next video, let's see about the Kauravas and the secret of their birth. I hope you have liked today's video. Do like, share and comment. Do subscribe to my channel. Please follow me on all the social media handles and go to my website zestynimbo.com and check it out. You can answer the quiz as well. So I'll see you in the next video. Until then, namaste.